you all, Angela Gilbert Cameron here. I'm going to do this video early because if I do not do it early, it will not get done. Tomorrow, Thursday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, we are doing our casting. Hold on, let me scroll it on. Casting Pearls, Future Entrepreneurs Conference Calls. They start promptly at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. They are on Tuesday and Thursday evenings, every Tuesday and Thursday from here on out, even if we have to eventually change the venue, okay? So if you all are wondering of different ways to streamline income as a hobby, full-time, part-time, set you some goals, make you some income, I'm giving my personal testimony of how I actually got into beauty products in the beauty product world to inspire some of you all. It is a great way to bring you in some extra income stream. I would not be selling any of my products online, on the call. That's not what this call is for. I was blessed, I want to say on last week, because my weeks are blending together. To wholesale out of all of my lashes. I have made the decision not to go back into lashes, but I want to help inspire, teach, instruct. I've got coaching calls in place to help some of you all get into your own businesses. It is a great way to earn you some extra income, you all. So be on the call tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I look forward to speaking with you. Y'all have a blessed one. Keep creating. God is doing some miraculous things. Y'all keep creating.